Filmora versus After Effects. Choosing the right video editing software can completely change how you create stunning videos without overwhelming complexity. Filmora offers simplicity and speed, while After Effects provides advanced effects and customization. Filmora and After Effects are two popular video editing tools with distinct purposes. Filmora focuses on user-friendly editing with ready-made effects, while After Effects specializes in professional motion graphics and visual effects, offering deep control and customization. Filmora is an intuitive video editing software designed for beginners and intermediate creators. It works by providing a simple drag-and-drop interface with a wide range of built-in templates, transitions, and effects to speed up the editing process. Filmora's strengths lie in its ease of use and fast learning curve, making it ideal for YouTubers, marketers, and hobbyists who want to produce polished videos quickly. It supports 4K editing, color grading, and audio editing, covering most needs without overwhelming the user. However, Filmora has limitations in advanced customization and complex animations which can restrict professional users seeking detailed control. Its streamlined workflow prioritizes accessibility over deep technical features. Overall, Filmora suits users looking for efficient video creation without the steep learning curve of professional software. After Effects is a powerful motion graphics and visual effects software widely used in professional video production. It works by allowing users to build complex animations, composite layers, and apply detailed effects frame by frame. Its strengths include unparalleled customization, support for third-party plugins, and integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud tools, making it the go-to for filmmakers, animators, and VFX artists. After Effects excels at creating intricate motion graphics, cinematic effects, and advanced compositing, offering precision that Filmora cannot match. However, its steep learning curve and resource-intensive performance can be challenging for beginners or those needing quick edits. Unlike Filmora, After Effects is not primarily a timeline-based editor, so it requires additional software for full video editing workflows. It is ideal for users who want to push creative boundaries and have the time to master complex tools. Filmora and After Effects serve different user needs. For quick project turnaround, Filmora's straightforward interface and ready-to-use effects make editing accessible and efficient. It's perfect for content creators focused on storytelling without technical distractions. On the other hand, After Effects shines in scenarios requiring detailed motion design, layered animations, and high-end visual effects, such as commercials or film sequences. The trade-off is that After Effects demands more time, skill, and computing power. While Filmora limits advanced customization, it offers speed and simplicity. After Effects offers creative freedom but can slow down production due to complexity. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize ease and speed, or depth and precision in your video projects. Choose Filmora if you want an easy-to-use, efficient video editor that delivers polished results quickly, without the need for advanced motion graphics skills. Opt for After Effects if your work demands professional-level motion graphics and visual effects with full creative control. It's the best choice for serious creators ready to invest time mastering advanced tools for standout video production.